In this video, I'm going to explain what ReviewPro tool is and how it can help you find more profitable products to review and consistently grow your commissions inside of the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, ReviewPro is a built-in Chrome extension, and it helps to show you all of the product information that you need to know if you should review a product or not, or what product you should upload your product review video to. Because one of the most frustrating things about product reviews is you have no idea if the product you're reviewing is in high demand, if it has low demand, if it has a saturated number of influencer videos already on there, or if it has a low number of review videos on there. You're kind of just guessing. Now, this tool specifically helps clear the air. It bridges the gap between finding profitable products and not knowing where to start. Now, there's so many features to this tool, but in this particular video, I want to give you an overview on what it can do so that you can start using it today. And if you want to start using this, just to try it out for free, I have a link down below in the video description where you can access a free trial to download it, start using it, and testing it out. Now, when you access your free trial, you're going to see that there are a ton of features inside of ReviewPro that will help you find profitable products to review. But I want to give you two specific examples of what this is going to look like, okay? A while back, I reviewed this protein powder. It's one of my favorites. It's called Ghost Protein, Whey Protein Powder, and it's a nutter butter flavor. It's so good. I love it. And when I went to review this product, I had thought that it had too many review videos to actually review it. And so I actually ended up putting it off for a while, and I just didn't even know if it was worth it. I didn't know what the revenue was. I didn't know anything about the product. I just kind of let my fears get the best of me. But let me show you something real fast. When I go into Amazon and I just type in protein powder and I start scrolling, with ReviewPro, you can see from this point of view the monthly revenue that each one of these products are doing, and more importantly, how many Amazon influencer review videos are already on this product listing. And so it can give you a very clear indication if the product is going to be worthwhile to review or not, because some products have like hundreds of review videos on there, and it's going to be a little bit hard for your video to be seen. But a lot of products, the majority of them, don't really have many, and so there's so much untapped opportunity. Let's dive a little bit deeper. When you click on a product, it's going to bring up the ReviewPro dashboard. This will show you the most important information you need to know about a product when you're going to review it. For example, we can see in the last 30 days, this product has done $147,000 worth of product sales. What that tells me is that there's a lot of demand for this product. So when I create a review video for this product and I post it on this product page, there's going to be a high likelihood or a huge chance that my video is going to be seen and I'm going to earn commissions for it. Because the last thing that you want is to review a product or add your video to a product listing and no one sees it, no one watches it. We can see how many sales it did today and the last 30 days, and also how many Amazon influencer videos are already on this product page. So much valuable information. And also we can see on the right how much commission percentage we plan to earn, what that equals out in dollars and in percentages. And also what's really interesting is we can see how long has this product listing been existed or created. That is good to know because we could see that since it's lasted and since it's been active for the last 56 months, there's a good chance that it's going to stay up for a long time. So my 2 to 3 minute video will be a huge ROI, return on my investment, for reviewing it because it's not going to be going anywhere. Okay. I hope this makes sense. This is so valuable, such important information. So in your free trial, I recommend downloading it, opening up the extension, just look around your room, find any product, search for it, pull up the dashboard and see what you find. All right. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next.